I just wanted to show you a quick tip for when you're photographing kids. One of the things that always messes up is they have messy faces. You can clean them as much as you want, but there's always going to be dirt on their face somewhere. So the easiest way to do this is to just use the healing brush. But I'm on an iPad here, so I increase the size of the face to oversize. Select the healing brush on the right hand side. I then choose a relevant size, a little bit, about probably 2 to 3 times bigger than the actual things you're trying to heal over. I put feather right out at 100 because I don't want sharp edges. And then I just go around and click on each of the pieces of dirt on his face. And there's quite a few, as there usually is. Sometimes I miss them. If you miss one, you can drag these around. Um, so there's a little one there. You can drag around. And just use the pinching mechanism to either move the photo or increase the size of it, so you can really get into the specks of dirt. One tip here is probably try not to overdo it, because you can actually, if you have hundreds of these healing brushes on somebody's face, it starts to look very plastic. And it's just something to be aware of when you're doing it. That's about as much as I want for this guy. Then you just press done, and there you go. So before and after, you can sort of see it, but you can sort of see a few. That's the before, and that's the after. You can just see those specks of dirt have all disappeared and been cleaned up. Okay, thanks for that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.